At just 5 years old, this little boy is already fixing phones and electronics. While other kids play with toys, he's exploring how things really work. His tiny hands move with care and focus. Every screw he turns tells a story of curiosity, and every repair is a spark of creativity. Imagine the future waiting for him. A future built by hands that never stopped learning. Let's inspire more children to dream, build, and discover. Because passion has no age. And the greatest inventors often start with a small spark of wonder.